Seatbelt on, baby. You know Chelsea, Tima's girlfriend?
Yeah.
That's who I was talking to, Chelsea. She just got a nurse internship in Chicago. So she's going to be moving from Georgia to Chicago. So I just told her, sweet, congratulations. And I told her if she wanted to take some time, if she can, before she goes, that she can swing by here and stay with us for a few days.
Yeah.
So you guys can meet her. She's a sweetheart. She's a total sweetheart.
How old is she?
Like Tima, 21, 22. Oh, she does. I don't know whose house.
This is the first time that it's traffic.
Yeah, but our goal is to the guard.
I pull you out of the bed because you're sleepy.
Pops has, yeah, Grandpa has. Grandpa will come in there hollering at me, wake me up.
Yeah, taking video. So that's not
Squishy, working from or in the middle. Go ahead and press on the pedal for me. Usually fits, but just about anything. Except for like the four-legged stuff.
Roddy. Alright, show her all your stuff. Give her all your stuff.
What's a good email for us?
Let's do Romeo Alpha.
Andito kami sa Bath and Body Works. Nakasale siya, buy 3, get 1 free. So, tumitingin kami dito. Pwede na yun. Bath and Body Works. Mas mamabango. Mas maganda yung ano. Ano yun? Mas mabango yung butterfly. Spray it here. Guys, yun. Tapos buy one, ano siya, buy one. Buy 3, get 1 free. Pero mamot naman yan. Dito sa ano papel, dito ba spray? That's enough. Parang water, parang mild lang siya.
Kasuka ako na umuha.
Ano? Mild?
Perfume.
Ito naman yung In the Stars. Bango? Bango naman siya. Pwede naman siya. Wala nang ibang kapal. Ito. Ito na lang yung napil. Doon ka sa ba't dito. Kasi andito kami ngayon sa Forever 21 kasi gusto kasi ni Chloe ng jacket tsaka yung short. Kaya binilhan muna dito sa Forever 21. Ha? Ano? Ha? Ano rin? Kaya dito tayo sa pinaka-ori. Doon tayo sa ano, maglibot pa tayo. Di ba may... Pauwi na kami pero dadaan muna kami sa resto kasi para kumain. Nagugutom na kasi yung mga bata at hindi na pwedeng maglakad dahil napapagod na yung isa. Nandito kami ngayon sa Greenwood. Kakatapos lang namin kumain doon sa Sunny Chicken. Masarap yung food. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Costco tapos kakagaling lang namin. Kumain lang kami sa Sunny Chicken. Busog naman kami. Then may nabili silang mga toys. Ano? Paanahin mo? Yeah, that is Father G. Means Greenwood. What's that? Ay, yung mga condo dyan.
It's amphitheater, I think. Yeah, it's free. And run and wrestling practice and cross country practice. Yeah. But there's a school. There's an elementary school like what the girls are going to now.
Like Waverly.
That's like Waverly, yeah.
No, it's like Waverly.
Yep. Yeah, it's not like yours, huh?
Nandito na tayo guys sa Costco.
So this year in December, what,
Yeah, because a piggy is pink, and then pig is pink.
She doesn't have a pig.
So doesn't even have a nose.
And to build different
Chloe,
compared to a pig.
you can breathe from your mouth.
we'll come back shopping for all stuff. Let's go. Do our business first.
CR muna kami. Oh.
Such a weird lady.
I assume it is, so we'll find out. That's now 4.
Kuha tayo nitong Tide. How much this price? Ito guys, so nakapack na siya. Kaso nga lang meron pa kami sa bahay. Hindi ko alam kung kukuha ba ako, hindi.
Next, Lysol.
Ano siya? Ito din. Downy. Pawis siya. It's 8. Are we gonna get one?
Yeah, get some.
Oh, what are those?
About Oxy.
Ang daming wine dito. Magkano ba to? $15.99 siya. So, hindi naman tayo bibili. Pero bibili namin tong isa, itong beer na to. Naghahanap kasi kami ng couch, pero dalawa yung kailangan sa game room tsaka sa front room. Kasi kapag gray naman, kapag sobrang light, madudumihan ng mga aso, kaya mas maganda medyo black or kaya dark gray. Medyo pagod na yung dalawa, kaya nagpapahinga na dyan. Tapos, ito yung pinakagusto ko talaga, yung light gray. Ang ganda nito sa front. Tapos gusto itong bilhin nila Trixie.
We have to find the price tag so we can buy it.
Meron sila ditong organic cotton cover. Gusto ko to. Nasa $14 lang siya. Kuha tayo isa. Naghahanap kami ngayon ng sala. Maganda kasi sa game room, pero dalawa kasi yung bibili namin, sa front tsaka sa back. Mas gusto ko kasi itong gray, pero mas kukunin namin yung dark gray. Ito yung isa. Maganda to sa front room. Pero hindi ko makita yung price.
Chloe, have you seen the price tag?
Coffee maker nila nasa $139. Ayan siya. Thank you guys for watching. Please, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan mag-subscribe. Bye-bye!
Another pond back there.
Yeah.
And I never understood this, why this didn't show straight through.